Welcome back to RVP Auto1. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Renault Koleos, a model that's been refined, reimagined, and given a serious boost in tech, comfort, and driving dynamics. Renault's been stepping up its game in recent years, and the Koleos is a clear example of how they're blending style, practicality, and a bit of flair into the midsize SUV segment. So if you're thinking about upgrading or just love keeping up with the latest automotive releases, stay tuned, because there's a lot to talk about. Right off the bat, the exterior design makes a strong impression. The 2026 Koleos carries forward Renault's signature front grille design, but now with even more sculpted detailing and LED light signatures that look modern and sharp. You've got that C-shaped LED DRL pattern that extends into the bumper, giving the front end a bolder, more confident stance. The bonnet's been slightly raised, and the lines are more muscular now, which makes it look more SUV than ever before, less soft crossover, more capable presence. Move to the side profile, and the Koleos shows a cleaner, sleeker silhouette than the outgoing version. Renault's gone for a slightly longer wheelbase, and it shows in the more balanced proportions. The flush door handles and optional 20-inch alloys on the higher trims add to the premium feel. Around back, the taillights have been redesigned too, slimmer, more connected, and equipped with a dynamic indicator animation that adds a touch of high-end sophistication. There's a new rear skid plate as well, giving it a tougher edge, and the Koleos badge is now spaced out across the tailgate for that upscale look we've seen trending in European SUVs. Pop open the doors, and the interior might just be where the Koleos surprises you the most. Renault has taken clear inspiration from its higher-end models and added serious refinement here. Soft touch materials on the dash, leather-trimmed surfaces on higher specs, ambient LED lighting, and a completely overhauled infotainment setup. Sitting right in the center is a large vertical touchscreen that stretches up to 12 inches depending on the variant, running Renault's latest OpenR-Link system with Google integration. It's fast, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster has gone fully digital too, with a 10.25-inch screen that's crisp and customizable. You can toggle between navigation, media, driving data, pretty much whatever you need right in your line of sight. Even the climate controls are integrated into the touchscreen, though thankfully there's still a row of physical shortcuts for quick access to essentials. Seating comfort is another strong point. The front seats are wide, supportive, and offer multi-way electric adjustment with memory function on higher trims. There's also massage, heating, and ventilation available, depending on the spec. In the rear, legroom has been improved thanks to that extended wheelbase. 3 adults can now sit comfortably, and there's a flat floor in the middle, which is great for longer trips. Renault has also added reclining rear seats and USB-C charging ports in the back. When it comes to boot space, you're looking at around 500 liters with the seats up and over 1,700 liters when folded. The power tailgate is standard on mid and high trims, and there's even hands-free opening by waving your foot under the bumper. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, Renault offers a couple of different powertrains for the 2026 Koleos, depending on market. The standard setup is a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine with mild hybrid assistance, producing around 160 horsepower. It's smooth, quiet, and does a decent job for everyday commuting. But the real highlight is the new E-Tech full hybrid system, combining a 1.6-liter petrol engine with twin electric motors. It delivers about 200 horsepower, and thanks to clever energy management, it can drive short distances purely on electric power at low speeds, especially in traffic or around town. The hybrid system is paired with a multi-mode automatic transmission that's been tuned for seamless transitions, and while it's not trying to be sporty, it feels responsive enough for an SUV of this size. You won't be winning drag races, but you'll definitely notice how calm and refined the drive is. Plus, fuel economy figures are impressive. Renault claims around 5 liters per 100 kilometers in combined driving, which is solid for a midsize SUV. There's also an all-wheel drive version available, although it's reserved for select trims and markets. This adds confidence for those who might do light off-roading or need extra grip in bad weather. Ground clearance remains generous at just over 190 mm, so the Koleos can handle rougher roads or a gravel trail with ease. In terms of driving dynamics, the new Koleos has come a long way. The ride is more composed, thanks to a revised suspension setup. It absorbs bumps better and remains stable at highway speeds. Renault has worked on sound insulation too, so the cabin stays impressively quiet, even at higher speeds. The steering is light and easy to use around town but firms up nicely as you pick up speed. It's no performance SUV, but for family duties, daily driving, and weekend getaways, it's more than capable. Safety has also been beefed up. Renault has packed in a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, autonomous emergency braking, and even a 360-degree camera setup with parking sensors all around. The Koleos has been rated highly in European crash tests, and it definitely gives you peace of mind when you're on the road with your family. Now let's talk trims and pricing. While pricing varies by region, the 2026 Koleos typically starts at a competitive price point for its segment, with the base trim offering a good set of standard features including LED lighting, alloy wheels, touchscreen infotainment, and a full safety suite. Move up to the mid and top trims, and you're getting larger wheels, a panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, wireless charging pad, full leather upholstery, and more tech like the head-up display. Renault's aiming to deliver premium touches without a premium price tag, and they've done a good job walking that line. And here's something worth noting, Renault's after-sales support and warranty offerings have improved too. The Koleos comes with a 5-year warranty and extended service plans are available. That's a nice boost for long-term peace of mind. So, who is the 2026 Renault Koleos for? If you're in the market for a midsize SUV that blends European design, modern tech, a comfortable ride, and impressive hybrid fuel economy, the Koleos should definitely be on your shortlist. It doesn't try to be overly flashy or performance-focused, but it delivers where it counts: space, comfort, efficiency, and safety. It's especially ideal for families, daily commuters, and anyone who wants something a bit more stylish than the usual SUV options out there without stepping into premium brand territory. Renault's clearly listened to feedback and improved the Koleos in all the right areas. That's our full review of the 2026 Renault Koleos. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you consider buying it? What features stand out to you the most? And how do you think it stacks up against rivals like the Nissan X-Trail, Honda CR-V, or Peugeot 5008? We love hearing your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to RVP Auto1 for more in-depth car reviews and first looks, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. We've got more great content on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.